Our next topic is disorders of nervous system. Disorders of nervous system are of two types: structural disorders and functional disorders. Structural disorders are due to damage to nervous system, in particular central nervous system, and functional disorders are due to loss of function of nervous system. Example of structural disorder is paralysis. Paralysis means complete loss of a muscle or muscles. When one type of muscle or a group of muscle stops to function completely, it is called paralysis. The main causes of paralysis include head trauma, head stroke, or rupture in blood vessel supplying brain. Head trauma means an attack on head. When someone attacks you on head, it is called head trauma. Head stroke means rupturing in the blood vessels in the brain, and rupturing means bursting of the blood vessels. Also, poliovirus may result in paralysis. Paralysis may be in one muscle or a group of muscle. Means paralysis may be in one side of body or in both sides of body. Paralysis may be upper half of the body or it may be in lower half of the body. Paralysis may also be in both arms, both legs, or in all four limbs. Means it may attack at the same time both arms and legs. Or in severe case, paralysis may be in whole body. There is no known treatment to paralysis. Now we talk about functional disorder of nervous system. Functional disorder of nervous system include those disorders in which loss of function of nervous system is faced. Epilepsy is a functional disorder of nervous system. In epilepsy, the movement of the bodies are not under control, and it is characterized by unprovoked seizures. Unprovoked means without stimulus. Seizure means sudden, uncontrolled convulsion or fix. For example, when you take a piece of a spoon or your finger into the mouth of a patient suffering from epilepsy, the patient takes or considers it as his food, and although he doesn't want to cut your finger or cut the spoon, but he does so. There is no stimulus of food, but the patient is showing the seizures or the response. It is due to abnormal discharge of nerve impulse. When nerve impulse is produced by certain nerves of the body, then the movement of that body part is not under control, and there is a continuous response to a stimulus which is no more in the environment. That is epilepsy. Abnormal discharge of nerve impulse resulting in unprovoked seizures is called epilepsy. Usually epilepsy is genetic, and when epilepsy is due to genetic, it can happen at any age. People over 40 years of age are more affected with epilepsy. Means aging or age also is an important factor in contribution to epilepsy. Epilepsy can never be treated, but to control seizures, certain drugs are used. These drugs are called anti-epileptic or anti-seizure drugs.